Thursday afternoon. I had to wait till dawn got off at 12. I'm down to one car. The other car is being repaired at the shop. Should be out today. And the solenoid and exhaust will be on a Toyota. In the meantime, Rich called and we got a pickup in North Ridgeville, about 35 minutes away from his place. I believe it's like 4 40-gallon tanks, some canisters, accessories, things like that. No fish, I don't believe. Something going on Friday too. I forget about that. I'll have to figure that one out and let you know. But in the meantime, I'm getting my butt over to OFR so we can hurry up and get this quick little rescue tank pickup completed. So stay tuned. Alright, I made it here, and as I suspected, they're ready to go. So let me go get Hoover, get the keys, and we'll get this rescue on the way. Alright, Hoover and I were in the van. We're going to take off here and head over to North Ridgeville. 5 40-gallon tanks and some canisters, or 4 canisters, I believe. I don't know if there's any fish. He's not sure on that. Alright, we made it to our destination.
We got all these right here, Reaper, on the wall there. And then the
Do you mind if I record for video?
No, it's great.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, we're here at Craig's. Thank
Craig.
you, sir.
Formerly Small Fry Aquatics.
Ah, really?
Oh.
And you went out of business then?
I did.
Or
I did. I sold out last summer.
Oh, did you really?
And this is what's kind of left.
Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, these
Oh,
are
and a
old
little
style
one.
40 longs.
Okay.
Glass, heavy as hell. Probably have to edit that out.
And then we have these 4 canisters in?
Yeah, 4 cans and the
And the
and the
hoses.
tubes. Yeah.
All right, that shouldn't be all that bad then.
No.
Okay. Well, Hoover's already unloading.
Fantastic.
And we'll get the wood out and we'll start getting these in here. Okay, shouldn't be too bad.
So everybody can see my dirty garage.
I'll let you go first.
Those are crazy under gravel filters.
And how come you ended up closing your business then?
Well, there was a lot of stuff going on. My wife died about 2 years ago.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
Thanks. And so it was just a matter of, it got to be too much. I want to travel. I've been doing this since 1965.
Wow, really?
So I had enough.
I'll be in touch, sir.
dropped just enough styrofoam.
Yep. And stick that little 10-gallon tank in here so we don't need that pressure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Might be another small piece of wood.
You might have to pull that one up slightly. You know what I'm saying? Pull that one up slightly. There you go. That'll work. Should. Okay, one more.
Yeah.
All right, we got it tied down. We got the canisters and the hose and a little 10-gallon in it. That's a little 10-gallon then?
That's a 10 and
Yep.
the others are 40 longs.
Okay. All right, Craig. Well, thank you very much, sir.
Oh, you betcha. Thank you guys
All
for
right.
the pickup and everything.
And you have a good day, sir.
You too. You all take care.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, made it back. We already just took them out. Rich was just here. We put them right here right now, all 5 of them. And the 10 gallons back here somewhere. And all the pumps, I think we stuck them over here. Everything else right here, including the little tank. And then tomorrow there's supposed to be another rescue for a 180 gallon tank. I gotta check and see how that's gonna work. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed the video. It was nice meeting Craig, and it was too bad he had to close up business at 65 or so. Wow, long time. But as you heard, he had things happen a couple years ago and wants to move on like anybody else. But Hoover and them, I was not able to catch up with Hoover and Big Rich. They did a 180, a bunch of other tanks. He even called me because I was waiting on my vehicle to come back from the shop. And he even called, and the Hoover called and said, come on, dude, you know, and I could have got some good. I'm sure they took some, and I'm sure it went well. But I wasn't able to get out. I finally did get a call at 7 o'clock. We went down, me and Kurt, and we finally picked up the vehicle. So now I'm up to 2 vehicles again. But unfortunately, yes, I've been tight on vehicles and having to pick up Dawn and waiting for Dawn to come home. So my videos have not been what they should have. I apologize, but things here should get better in the next week or so. So if you guys just hang in there a little bit, we'll get that all taken care of. As you've seen, all the rays, they're eating the baby rays. They look beautiful. They're awesome. Everything's going good. It's a shame they're losing the one, you know, but that's just it. I mean, technically, Schwarzenegger and so many others, you know, that are there at the OFR are well beyond their age for normal, life expectancy. But because they are there and because they've, been, not in the wild, they do have a tendency of living longer. So we just do the best we can, and it's always a shame to lose one. But Michigan, I don't know if that one's still going on or what's going on. I haven't really, again, I've been kind of out of touch the last week or so. But this week here, I should be able to get things more back on track. So hang in there, guys. Stay fishy. Hit the like, subscribe, and share, and we'll go deeper with the Reaper.